And
it's got the wrong interior in it, it's got the wrong wheels on it, it's got the wrong motor in it, it's got the wrong grill in the trunk. Morning, Alex.
Morning.
Well, here you got a special surprise.
Yeah, I painted my Challenger.
Finally.
Yep.
So, a little bit more time than you thought and anticipated on the paint and body work, huh?
Yeah, a couple more months.
The build side of it really well, though. So, Alex, for those of you who are not following on his Instagram page, he's building a 70 Challenger. Basically looks like the Vanishing Point car, right?
Right.
But Resto Bite style.
Oh, yeah.
One of my favorite movies, one of my favorite cars. He's done a phenomenal job. Now, once the paint's on it, it's going to finally come together. So, check that out. It's really cool. But what are we doing today?
Saving the Mustang.
We are, which is one of the core cars I call that we really love to buy and sell.
Oh yeah.
Kind of, I'm not gonna say it's a blue chip car, but Camaros, Mustangs, Firebirds, one of the things we cut our teeth on. We love the Mopars too. They're just a little bit harder to find, you know, muscle car stuff. But it's a '67 Mustang convertible. It's in Waxahachie, Texas, partially through restoration. The guy gave up. So it's the other thing we say, wanted dead or alive, we will buy him in any condition. And he does watch Coffee Walk, and part of the deal is we got to bring him a T-shirt.
Cool.
But where I'm going with this is, Alex has been working on another massive project, which is why he hasn't traveled with us as much lately. We buy a lot of cars that you guys don't see on camera. A lot. So how many are we up to that people haven't seen? Just approximately.
Approximately 250 this year so far.
Wow. Well, I was guessing there was about 210, 220, so I guess I bought too many.
Yeah.
So pretty soon we're going to show you guys a video of somewhere between 220 and 250 mainly American muscle cars. Mustangs, Firebirds, Trans-Ams, GTO, Corvettes, on and on and on.
Yeah.
And even some stuff as old as 1908
Yeah.
that they haven't seen. What's our plan? Well, we're so busy with the other stuff we're working on, and most of these cars we're just not going to get to, but they're cars that I would never pass on in my life as far as buying. We're going to put them together and hold an auction. So stay tuned for that. Grab your cup of joe. Well, good morning, sir. How are you? Would you like some coffee?
What?
Would you like some coffee?
I would.
Okay. This is Snickerdoodle. It's my favorite. It even smells good.
Just black.
It is black. Would you like some cream and sugar?
TV all the time?
Sometimes. Every now and then.
Well, he's as ugly as running, buddy, isn't he?
Yeah, that's right. It was his birthday yesterday.
I'll get out of here.
Well, thanks for coming in,
I'm
sir.
having my Jeep worked on.
Outstanding. That's what we do best.
I got a car I want to.
Hey, go ahead.
I got a car I want to sell.
Okay.
It's actually my wife's daughter. It's a Mazda,
Okay.
a little Mata or whatever you call them.
Miata.
Miata.
Okay. We'd be interested in that. We actually have some Miatas in the warehouse that nobody's seen.
Yeah.
They're not American cars, but if you'll send the information to that, I'll get right back with you, sir.
What information you want?
Serial number and a picture of the car, the miles, and how much.
Well, I got a $5,000 offer right now.
I bet I can beat that. So if you'll just either leave a message with Adrian up the front, and I'll call you this afternoon or tomorrow, and we'll come look at it. What year's your Jeep you brought
You
in?
know where Rice is?
Yes, sir, I know where Rice is.
That's
Yeah.
what it is. That's where it's at.
Okay, I'm interested.
I don't want to make a fortune. I just want out my way.
Okay.
I got a carport that barely holds two, and hers is in the way. And I just bought a new pickup, and I want it out of the way.
Okay, let me bring in Miss Adrian real quick. Be right back. Okay, now we're back. So I'm gonna get my cup of joe. And guess what, Alex?
What's that?
I have progressed in standards of coffee drinking.
Really?
Yes. No cream, no sugar, just black, but it is Snickerdoodle.
It is good.
Smells great, tastes great. So, grab your cup of joe and let's go rescue a Mustang convertible. So there's a new truck here?
Yes, it is. Look at it.
Wow.
Look at the bed, too. Color matched and everything.
That is really cool. How's it drive?
A lot softer and quieter.
Smoother and quieter. Now our other rigs, we ordered this ambulance chassis, so they have super heavy duty suspensions. How about fuel? It's got the big tank in it.
It does.
Awesome.
And it's running. It's quiet.
That is really quiet.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe we could film with the truck on. So our good buddy at Owen Gosling at Motor Soda and Sean Pettisford's friend hooked us up with this bed manufacturing company, and they actually powder coated the bed to match the truck, which is really, really cool.
That's cool.
They're out of Oklahoma. They're called Crown Line.
Okay.
So actually Jonathan drove this thing up the other day, and they just installed the bed while he waited. but I have not sat in this truck yet. I haven't ridden in it yet. And so thank you to Bergeron in Metairie, Louisiana for hooking us up with this 3500. It was the only one available in the entire United States. So I had to make a phone call to one of my best friends in Louisiana who knows everybody and pull a favor. So thank you, Jared Ricky. We got us our new rig 2022 and we needed it. So let's go for a ride. All right, we're here in Waxahachie, Texas to hopefully rescue a 67 Mustang convertible. Good morning, sir. How are you? Good, good.
We're not asking you could please not film, if that's okay.
Do what?
You could please not film.
Yeah, no problem. Well, we got to the location today and the owner decided he did not want to be on camera, which is fine. We're not going to pressure anybody to do that. He did say that we could photograph in the garage, but he did not want to be on camera. He recommended Campuzano's Mexican food place in Waxahachie, Texas, which is why we're here. But it was also highly recommended by Big Josh, our other classic car tech. So what we did see inside is Alex looked at it. He said the rear torque boxes are good. The fronts have had some patching done.
Yeah, the floors and the torque boxes in front.
So the car was originally on the door warranty tag, which is there, which is nice. Color code I, which is lime gold. And the interior color code, which really threw me because the interior that's in the car is blue.
Yeah.
And I told Alex there's no way it's gonna be a lime gold car with blue. The interior code color is 2A, which is ivy gold, which would make sense.
Yeah.
See, basically green on green, even though that's not what they call them. Now, and the serial number is where it should be. It's a little bit hard to read, but it's there. So basically what we bought is what I thought we were gonna go buy and what you thought as well.
Yeah.
Just another, as we're calling them, core cars, but a very good cars, yeah, for resto mods. That's gonna be the best use of this car. But you know, reasonably solid 67 Mustang convertible. You gotta buy all you can find. Now let's go eat. Wow, look at that. Is that sizzling fajitas for one?
Yes, sir.
Somebody's gonna be full. Got my guacamole salad. That looks good.
Got our chicken quesadillas. Looks good.
Yes, sir.
And more guacamole. Oh, and pickled jalapenos.
Sorry for that.
So your restaurant was recommended by two people,
Really?
highly, yes. So that's why we're here.
And we have other fajitas. The fajita fiesta is the premium. Chicken, meat, and
Maybe next time we'll go crazy and do the fiesta one. All right.
Enjoy your meal, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Wow, that's a lot of chicken. It's a good thing we got a new truck to ride in because I'm going to be in a food coma. If you guys want to try a fajita, have at it. How's the quesadilla, Alex?
Pretty good.
Get a half order.
It's a full order. They just folded it once.
Whoa, look at that. I gotta make this just right.
Perfect bite.
Right off the bat. Sorry, what I'm doing as fast as I can. Just go ahead and create the perfect bite right off the bat and make sure that jalapeno is there. Great taste. Good. So, Camp Usano Mexican food, we had 2 recommendations, including the guy that we bought the Mustang convertible from. It was described to us as Tex-Mex. Looked like Tex-Mex and authentic Mexican food. It was really good. In big portions. So, now what am I supposed to do? Is this where I have to say please like, tag, share, and follow? And most of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel?
I think so.
All right, there you go.
Dennis, do you think the viewers are going to be mad that this episode was kind of short?
Well, you know, there's always Mustang content. It's good, but there's not a whole lot of Mustang there.
Yeah,
it's got the wrong interior in it. It's got the wrong wheels on it. It's got the wrong motor in it. It's got the wrong grill in the trunk. But it is what it is. Sorry, guys. But we did rescue a Mustang convertible, so that's definitely going to be a resto mod. Sorry it wasn't a Shelby GT 500 KR convertible. You can't win them all. But it's a core car.